Accessing high-performance workstations when you need them or anytime is still a challenge for creative and technical projects. Cloud platforms are frustrating, and they lack many crucial features for designers. There is no solution built for creative teams. Meet Vagon Teams, the ultimate cloud workstation for creative teams and studios. It's the simplest, yet the most powerful, flexible, and secure remote workspace that you can access on any device worldwide. Speed up your projects, complete your renders in seconds, save both time and money by providing cloud desktops or single-session apps for you and your team. With Vagon Teams, you can easily assign cloud desktops to your team members securely, install applications automatically, and sync your workflow. In addition, Vagon comes with the latest features to assure your project's privacy. Blender, Unity, Unreal Engine, any CAD software, Adobe and Autodesk applications, and more, all ready to go on Vagon Teams. Whether you're editing high-resolution videos, designing 3D worlds, or running complex simulations, Vagon Teams covers all needs of industry pros. Discover how easy remote work can be with Vagon's powerful cloud workstations. Try now at vagon.io/teams.